Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our class that is patience and tolerance. Okay. It was dark stormy night. Abdul Dawladdin was in his tent. A beggar came to his door. He was feeling cold and hungry. Abu Dawladdin offered him hot, steaming, delicious food. The beggar was feeling pleased. He started his food right away. Means there was a time when it was a dark, stormy night and Abdul Dawla was living inside his tent. Thereafter, suddenly a beggar came to his door and asked for something because that beggar was feeling cold and hungry. Abu Dawladdin offered him some hot, steaming, delicious food. Thereafter, the beggar was feeling pleased, means he became very happy. Then he started his food right away without any prayer. Abdul Dawladdin was shocked. He stopped him and asked the beggar whether he prayed to God before eating. The answer was no. So then he stopped the beggar, told just stop your eating and tell me that whether you had prayed to God before eating. The beggar answered, no, I wasn't. Then Abu was very kind, always helped others. He informed him that in such a case he cannot have his food. Means Abu was a very kind person, but as he saw that God is the one who just give us everything, so we should say thanks before eating because it was a God's gift. Okay, but the beggar didn't do so. Then Abu was felt very bad and he told the beggar that he cannot have his food. He ought to go away from there immediately. Means Abu told him to go away. There after a while, Abu Dawladdin saw a light coming to him. Then he recognized it was God. Means just God was coming as a ray of light, and he just heard that God is telling him, I have tolerated this man for such a long time in my tent, means in this world. Could you not tolerate him for just one night? Means God is telling that this is my tent, means the world is the tent of God, and this man means beggar. Means God is tolerated this beggar from in his world from a long time. So why could not you tolerate him for just one night? So through this story, it shows how tolerant God is toward us. Means God just forgive our mischiefs and everything. We should also learn to tolerate others. Patience and tolerance go together. Patience is bearing hardship, provocation, delay, etc. with calm and cool head. Okay. Patience is a rare quality. To acquire the quality of patience, one had to control his anger. Patience helps us to understand others. Means patience is a very big things, and through which we can just make ourselves calm and cool in every situation. It is a rare quality. Means everyone doesn't have this quality, and to acquire this quality, which quality means the patience, we should have to control our anger first. We normally do not tolerate others. Means normally we won't tolerate any of us because we don't have patience to tolerate others. Means we don't have such patience to tolerate anybody. We are concerned about achievement, our looks, our talent, our physical strength. Means we are only thinking about ourselves. Means about my achievement, about my looks, about my talents, about my physical strength, and these things. So we tend to compare them with others and find that there are too many shortcomings in us. Means we should compare ourselves with others and see that how many shortcomings we have. We are either poor learner, poor sports person, and have lack of talent. We feel let down by society at large. We become angry, impatient, jealous, and envious. Means if I am a loser and I keep losing every day, but the main thing is I am trying very hard. That is a very big thing. But our society will just tell us that no, he's a loser, he won't do anything. Thereafter what? Thereafter we lost our patience and we started angrily. We start to act angrily, impatiently, jealously, and enviously. Okay, so we remain unappreciated and misunderstood, and it all happens because we are not appreciating by others, and this is our misunderstanding. We see ourselves from a destructive point of view. Means if we just see ourselves from a destructive point of view, we are destroying ourselves and others. Okay, we try to find fault with our looks, with their achievement, their talent, their learning, their acting, their speaking, their way of going out. Means we always try to find fault in other people's, not inside us. So we find it difficult to tolerate other people in our life, and that's why we find it very difficult to tolerate them. We become impatient and angry in the presence of other. We increase the number of people who avoid our company. Means we become very impatient and angry when it was time for us to keep the presence, when we have the time to keep the presence of others. We increase the number of people who avoid our company. Means we generally increase our, means our friend relations or our society. We just increase the number as we have to avoid someone else company. Let us try to be patient in our patience in our daily behavior. Let us try to tolerate those who can irritate us, so next time when you are with your friends and a situation arises that may make you get angry with them and want to share shouting and fighting, be cool. Means we should learn to be patient, to keep patience in our daily behavior, so that if next time any kind of situation arises when our friends, our colleagues, our batchmates, our society people started irritating us or try to make us angry, we should tolerate that situation very calmly and very cool personality. So count numbers up to 10, go slow, and be sure to avoid all bitterness. Means whenever this kind of situation being arised, okay, whenever you feel like you became angry, just count from 1 to 10. Thereafter go slow and be sure that you will going to avoid everything. You will going to overcome this situation. That would be a great achievement. We will see how many more friends we will have because of this. They will be happy to be our friends. People like us, they will have time to listen to us. Means after that we can see that we will make some new friends because of this behavior. Which kind of behavior? The behavior with full of patience. They will be happy to be our friends. Means other people will be happy to join us. People will like us, they will have time to listen to us. Means those people who have a lot of patience will always listen to us, will always appreciate us. We will learn to be patient with ourselves too. Means this is the talent which is called patience. We have to build by ourselves. No one going to do it for you. Okay, so the moral of the story that to acquire the quality of patience, one has to control his or her emotions. To lead successful life, we should learn to be patient. Means we should always keep patience in every kind of situation to become a successful people or a person. Okay, so in my next class I will just give you the question answer with some multiple choice questions. Okay, so bye.